Grand Teton. I'm also I live in the United States. In this trip, we were headed to Yellowstone, but we stopped at Grand Teton and stay overnight for a night. We parked. At first, we passed by the river. I really like the sounds of the wind and the water flowed. The water was cold but fresh because it was in summer. I love nature. I see around nothing, just the mountain. It was a hot day, but I didn't feel any hot because of the cold wind. On this trip, we spent a night here at beautiful.It hotel, but I never seen any hotel like this before. I mean the location, I really feel, yes, we were in the mountain somewhere. Just only in this area we can have the facility. Anyway, the next day in the morning, I think it was about 7 o'clock in the morning, my husband and I headed to Grand Teton and went to the store and then look for things that we might need while we hiking. My husband told me we would finish around the lake as 4 hours, but we must take the snack, water enough, and also the flashlight. And then we bought the raincoat because I didn't prepare from home. I forgot, but I prepared my backpack, but not for him. So he bought a new backpack from the store here. And also we didn't have any bear spray at all, which I kept worried along my hike, as I don't want to see the bear. I don't want to facing with the bear at all because we didn't have anything to protect ourselves. And I was really enjoyed and impressed with the nature here. But at the end, my legs were very sore and I gave up during the way, but I have no choice because I walked too far to go back. Then I keep walking, and at that time my husband walked very far ahead from me, so I could not see him where he was, and the sky getting dark because of the rain was coming, but luckily I finished before the rain came. Anyway, at Grand Teton, there were boats provided you in each pier. If the tourists don't want to walk, so just take the boat and stop at the next location, and then take another boat and stop. But we agreed that we would like to challenge ourselves by finish ground at the Grand Teton. I don't remember how far of the distance around the lake, but we took totally about 7 hours instead of 4 hours because we walked very slow I was so tired and sore my legs when we finished and get out. I was starving and feel like I gonna faint. Anyway, it was impressive experience and I would like to go back again, but the second time I prefer not hike that long. I may ask my husband to take me on the boat so we can have different experience. Anyway, that was I wanted to share and talk about the hike at Grand Teton. So impressed and love. Thank you for watching and listening. If you would like to see more about the present events, as I am Thai, live in the United States and married with American husband, I am very happy here and also enjoy activity outdoor with him. Please come back and check. I will share you and tell you more about our trip. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.